Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making this frozen fancy yogurt treat with fruits. Really easy to make. Anyone can make. My 5-year-old can make. So we just need a yogurt and some of your favorite fruits. Also cookies. I have Oreo today. And some cereal, Lucky Charms. Pick your favorite ingredients and put them in a pan, something like this, or small or big. Depends how big the treat you want. Okay, today we have strawberries, grapes, blueberries, and banana. I really want mango and kiwi today, but I don't have at home. Let's see what we can do with this. So next step will be put these fruits in the yogurt. Let's get the plate. Let's get this plain yogurt, spatula, and the bowl. We got some wax paper. Lay this paper on the bottom of the pan so your yogurt treat won't stick on the bottom. Very easy to take out. Like that. It's really easy. Now we already put this in the freezer.